Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Let me pick, for example, this one, and let me quickly remove the photo. So after tapping on the contact, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and let me remove the photo. This is what you will have. So just tap on this camera icon in the middle and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let me tap on it and you can pick the photos or the Google Photos, up to you. Let's find the photo and tap on it. And here from this step we can change the size and the position of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to and confirm it with tapping on this mark icon. As you can see, I hope that you can see we've got this photo inside the circle, so remember to tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, of course, give it a time to refresh itself, etc. Not only on the contact list, but also during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.